Hello everyone, my name is Thierry Bechtel and today I will explain everything you need to know to use the Inventronics HubSense system. You will find 5 videos on this product range to cover all aspects. But let's start at the beginning. What is HubSense? Well, it is the commercial name that we have given to a range of products allowing the control and management of lighting in Bluetooth. So we are talking here about wireless communication and configuration via a Bluetooth signal, and more precisely, in Bluetooth Mesh. Bluetooth Mesh is an evolution of the Bluetooth protocol, which allows products to be interconnected with each other and create a global communication network. In a classic Bluetooth communication, each product communicates with the next one. In a mesh network, each product communicates with its different neighbors. So when an information leaves from one product to go to another, it takes a certain path. But if an event prevents communication between two products, then the information will simply take another path in this mesh network. The communication is therefore much more robust. HubSense products are Bluetooth NLC certified, the latest version of the Bluetooth Mesh protocol, specially dedicated to lighting. Thanks to this, you have standardized and reliable communication. Your HubSense network can integrate up to 200 products that will communicate with each other. These are called communication nodes. To say it simply, each product that integrates a Bluetooth chip counts as a node in the mesh network. It can be a presence sensor, a Bluetooth LED driver, etc. And your network can contain up to 200 nodes in total. But what if you have more than 200 products? You will then just need to create a second network. For example, you have 250 nodes on your installation, so 250 products with a HubSense Bluetooth chip inside. You can then create a first network with 150 products inside, and then a second network with 100 products. You just need to know that these two networks will be independent of each other. They will not communicate together, a bit like if they were physically in two different cities. Now that we have the main principles of the HubSense system, let's see in this second video what the products are and how to combine and wire them.